free so na yepemu ewo Ghana ni na mpanifo omunimu de efa business anase dwedie ho nsem etumi bepie so na wo mo akire mu se su ene ban ya se wo bie adwuma a wo de ebe hyase no eno na boa wo ema adwuma no etumi tumpon.
You have a passion for it, so you know what it is going into. But you see, one thing I can say, but for you, I can say visibility. So be home with Juma, and now with Juma Konen. Inti social media they mean fin dia go. Be a only me and him say social media they mean fin dia go. Inti TikTok, Instagram, YouTube.
Yeah, social media be home o nyuma na wa ni be e ho kama pa.
Okay. Inti illustration they me find say hobby. When I was during COVID time.
Okay.
Me find say hobby.
Okay, now obi aba fie koda.
Pachan. And you know, like you know, na me ni sika na me de beto tools na na me here no. I say one thing they say who want down for form omo ya. Uko weni.
The photo na mugusa mo de my until now for pan so di mo akotene.
So for me, Mecca say I won't even advise any startup say go bank, go loan because business I was started here. You don't know the outcome. We are all praying say be ye, but you don't know how it will end. So me the me advice say go loan. Me the me advice say you afraid be other people's money. Who be starting business other people's money. Or my me say me failed no. And I be anybody I what on adie. Wait to me you should that strategy be but me posting nema o posting nema obi be hu na wabisa patrol we already know ebia you've already built contact with some suppliers so nipa no order na waji ni sika no oji ni sika na wo de akoto ana say to me lazy with suppliers na omama product na wakoton otonga where you will profit now we do sika akoma omo sika akoma omo yen say yen services we
bank need for me, you know, I won't say na me rely on banks because me work na self-imposed. And you know, ne make just say who need sika or the better nyama na ho hia na. Share traditionally. Ubetime use charcoal. Share with what you have. Ubetime use charcoal with white cardboard. You can start that way. Ubetime use pencil. Ubetime use pen. Nye wo no. Pen no share.
Yeah, and train ultramodern studio. Okay.
Mention. Nye wo no fa share. Now as you are, as I will build it up, no confirm who they would commission. In confirm be ba no mo ba be ka say me pay we bi me pay we bi kaka na wo save. Now they are taught near person near here no else way better since say obeko bank na akwaji loan na interest it draws you back.